Well, I ain't no blacksmith, but I'll bang just about anything with my hammer. Today we're going to pick up an antique anvil and restore it back to life. I'm Dave and you're watching Parts and Restoration. What's wrong, boy? Good job, Ava. How you doing with your trucks? Good. Give it a good rub in all the places where it's dry and crusty. Try and get some of the orange stuff on top. So it's nice and wet and nice and clean.
You didn't know. Looks pretty good, huh? You wanna try some more? Or you done? You want me to do it? Okay. Daddy dog will do it.
Hey, bub, what'd you find? You find tools?
No use.
It's not no use.
Daddy, mine's not very good.
You just have to make sure that you're rubbing with the part that has the orange juice on it. That's all. See? Hold it right there. Oh, I guess it does need a little bit more, huh? All right, guys, Instagram at Parts and Restoration. I'm telling you, it's blowing up, posting 2 times a day. Check it out, you're gonna love it. If you like stuff like this, if you like dirty, rusty, old stuff, check me out today. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification. Y'all know what to do. This is YouTube history. Anyway, thanks for stopping in. You guys are great. Keep your hands dirty. See you next time.